Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn human security. Means last period we learn about last lecture we learn about the human security, means that human development report, means HDR highlighted two major component of human security, which is freedom from fear and freedom from want. Okay, and last period last lecture we also learned some means which HDR in 1994 HDR means human development right was concern means specific they listing 7 essential dimension of human security. Means last lecture we learn about the economic security, food security, health security and environmental security. Now today we are going to learn the next dimension of human security. It is personal security. Okay, personal security. Now see what is personal, means how this personal security is related to human security. Threats can be of many kinds like torture, war, crime, domestic violence, rape, child abuse, etc. Means people must feel secure and protected from all kind of violence. Means there is personal security is related, which means torture or crime. Means these are the person, means if there is any torture, means if human means man is not free from if he is not free from the torture, then it is very necessary to have his personal security. War means war time also there is very nice, means personal should be secure from any of this, means their effect of war. Crime, okay, domestic violence means it is related to family, okay, family security, means family security. Rape and child abuse. Child abuse means related to means we are saying that bal kamgar. Okay, means these are the related to human security. People, and that's why it is very necessary, people must feel secure and protected from all kinds of violence. Means these are the means some violence, and it is very necessary people should free from this all types of violence. Okay, means it is related to personal security. The next dimension of human security is community security. People get security by being in a family, community, caste or ethnic group, etc. Such groups offer practical support. Means when people get secure, means by being in a family. Means people when these are attached to their family, that time they feel secure. Means each and every member when they are attached emotionally in their family, that time they feel secure. Community means, for example, in society, if this society, when he means we are living in society, that time from this security, if when we are feeling security, if there is when our means when we are means neighboring, relation of neighboring are good. Understood? Neighbor or any means that society relation is good, that time we feel secure. Then caste means, for example, any caste or ethnic groups. Ethnic groups means religions or races. Understood? Means in like this way, means they are free from religion or any related to this caste. Okay, such groups offer practical support. If they are support from this ethnic group or any means their family or any community or caste, that time they pay, means these groups, such groups offer them a practical support to human. Understood? Means if they feel secure in this group, then only that time such groups offer practical support to them. Means it is related to community security. political security. And last dimension means last dimension, it is seventh dimension, is political security. People should be able to live in a society that will honor their basic human rights. We are living in a society, and when we are living in a society, in that time that society offers us honor, means for the human right, basic human right, means community offer a basic human right to person. And that time we feel means when we get the basic human right, that time we feel secure in our region, in our region, means it is related to political security. For example, we have the right to vote. We get the we get some facilities. Okay, when you are living in society, that time we get some facilities from government. Means it is related to political security. Means these are the basic human rights which are related to political security. Then next, see, the focus of the concept of human security is thus on the people. It focuses on humanitarian values, on the dignity of the individual, or concepts such as social justice, freedom, and equality. Means these are seen. Means focus of concept of human security is on the people. Means human security focus on the concept, means these see, value means which human security is focus on the focus on focuses on humanitarian values, dignity of individual. Chaitanya, tu ka alas? I feel very it is not